What if you could create a team member for your business in a single afternoon? One that never takes a day off, never asks for a raise, and helps you reclaim hours every week. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how I built my own automated AI-powered content marketing teammate and how you can too. Hey, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who crave higher, more consistent months with a repeatable business system. I've helped hundreds of founders systematize and scale with smarter automation, so you spend more time doing what matters and less time on busy work. By the end of this video, you'll get my step-by-step process for turning your daily tasks into a reliable, automated team member, plus my favorite shortcut for automating your content marketing. Here's what we'll cover. First, I'll show you the time study that reveals exactly what's eating up your work week. Then I'll walk through how I delegated and automated almost everything with AI. Finally, I'll break down how my content marketing AI teammate saves me hours each month and how you can set up the same system. Let's start with the problem. Most entrepreneurs, myself included, spend way too much time on things that simply don't move the business forward. Little tasks, emails, admin work, the list goes on. But I found a way out. I did a time study. For 4 days, I tracked every single thing I did in 15-minute increments. Honest, it was eye-opening. Step 1, I uploaded the whole time log into ChatGPT and had it analyze everything. What was unnecessary, what could be deleted, and what was truly making a difference. Spoiler, a lot of what I thought was productive could be scrapped entirely. Next, I focused on delegation. Anything repetitive or rule-based, I asked, can AI do this? If yes, I built a quick automation. For anything else, I asked, can I automate this entirely? And again, the answer was often yes. For the work that absolutely needed a human, I delegated to a real team member. What was left, the highest value work, stayed on my plate, connecting, presenting, and training. This new setup meant most of my business is now either automated, handled by AI, or delegated, freeing me up for the things only I can do. If you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It supports the channel and tells me to make more trainings like this for you. Now here's the exciting part. My favorite automation, my content marketing AI teammate. Every month I fill out one quick form, and that's it. In that form, I outline important info for the month, like upcoming sales or promotions. Once I submit it, an automation kicks in and creates all our content for the month, posts, emails, you name it. No more endless brainstorming or juggling content calendars. Bonus tip, if you eventually want to hand off even that monthly form, you can train a human team member to do it, or even further automate with advanced AI. But for now, setting up just this one automation has saved me hours every single week and made my marketing totally consistent. Let's recap. Here's what you learned today: how to use a simple time study to identify and eliminate wasted effort, how to delegate and automate the bulk of your business activities using AI, how a single form and automation can create a virtual team member for content marketing, freeing up real time. Ready to build your own AI team member? Click the link in the description to get my Moneymaker GPT for free and watch your business transform. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world.